Howdy everybody, Mike McCoy here, Mother, my
me.
faithful sidekick. Can't hardly talk. We got a gift here.
Look what I got. That's so pretty. That is from Larry Glass from Star, Mississippi.
Yes.
At Heartwood Lumber.
They sell lumber that people like me in the sawmill business just talks about. I've been doing this for years, and they sell stuff that I ain't never cut but a board or two of. I mean, it's that high grade stuff.
And it's so pretty. Look at it. I love my birdhouse, but it's too pretty to put outside. See the back of it? It's got the little door. I was tickled to death to get that yesterday. I had no idea. You know, I thought it was for Michelle. Yeah. I got a package and I didn't even look at it because I know that I hadn't ordered nothing. And then I said it was for me and I got all excited.
Yeah.
But yeah, I love my birdhouse. I really appreciate it. And thank you for watching.
We really appreciate this stuff. I mean, to take the time out of your day to think of me and Mother.
Yeah.
Mother especially.
That's so pretty.
For now, Mother really enjoys stuff like this. She really does. And
but it's too pretty to put outside.
And to say appreciated is just an understatement from us. We just ain't used to people giving us stuff. Except
really,
maybe
really
a hard
pretty
time.
stuff.
Yeah. You know it.
Yeah, hard times about all we get. But yeah, I'm tickled to death. I ain't never seen her built like that.
I ain't either. I've never seen one that nice.
I ain't either. It's so pretty.
It's just,
and we sure do appreciate it. And thank you for watching.
Hard. Yeah, we really appreciate it. And if you own a birdhouse like that, contact, what's the name of it?
Heartwood Lumber.
Heartwood Lumber, Star, Mississippi. And they'll fix you up. I mean, a bird would be proud to lighten that thing.
He'll think he's in the Biltmore house.
They would say, I have arrived. And
that's so pretty.
Be sure to watch this video plumb through. We shot a little bit down at the sawmill, and we used a different angle and positioned the camera different. And I think you might like it. You know, I don't know
if it turns out good.
And I'm almost sure it would. But again, thank you.
We hate that glare on the glass, but I don't know.
Ain't nothing to it. We've tried everything. One guy sent us a filter, and it didn't help. I mean, it just is what it is. And maybe what we done today might sort of alleviate the problem. But we'll see. And like I said again, thank you. And
we sure do appreciate it. I love my birdhouse. Thank you a bunch.
So, bye-bye.
Is it recording?
Yes.
We're down here at the sawmill. We're going to see what this does. I don't know how this is going to work. You can't hear me talk, but anyway. Hi. Let's see if this thing will start. I should have had it plugged up.
This may be short-lived.
It may be. Let's try it again. You got it?
Got it.
Don't give it no ether. We'll just wait.
I will give it just a little swig. Maybe we'll get hooked on cocaine now. It's not never.
Yeah, but we don't want to do that. I should have come down here and plugged it up.
You're a chicken a-crowing.
Huh?
You're a chicken a-crowing.
fits.
That's all poplar, ain't it?
Yeah. Them 3 logs is. That last one's pine. I need to blow that out.
Yeah.
How do I cut this off?
Just touch it again.
Touch it where?
Same spot where that little square's at.